Welcome to the ScreenFlow to Lightning Web Component course. I made this course because I believe something. I believe that if you can figure this out, if you can figure out how to read and build ScreenFlows, then you can also figure out how to build this, a Lightning Web Component. And the reason I believe that is because the skills you already have, like decomposing a UI into steps, collecting input from users, rendering fields conditionally, fetching and creating records, are all skills that can transfer directly between ScreenFlows and Lightning Web Components. Let me show you what I mean. Let's say you're given a requirement, I need a custom UI to edit contacts. Now, as a Salesforce admin, you know how to translate this into Salesforce. I need to query contact records in the current user sharing context, display them in a editable UI, capture the changed field values, and update those contact records in Salesforce. What you did there is you broke down this kind of abstract idea of updating contacts and having some editable UI to do so into a process. Query contact records, render the contacts in a UI, provide editable fields and a save button, and send that data back to Salesforce. And once you do that, you turn that into something real. You turn it into a flow, or in this case, a ScreenFlow. What I'm getting at is you already know how to logically think through the procedure. You're already thinking like a developer. Someone just needs to show you a new syntax. You already know the syntax for flow. This course will introduce you to the syntax and concepts of Lightning Web Components as we map them from the concepts of a ScreenFlow. Now, obviously this course alone won't turn you into a senior Lightning Web Component developer. Just like a single course didn't make you a pro flow developer. That takes a lot of time and practice. But what this course will do is give you an introduction to the material by giving you the vocabulary that you need to read and understand some Lightning Web Component code. You'll be able to see the comparisons between Flow and Lightning Web Components, and you'll be able to get hands-on building out these Lightning Web Components. So the first component you build won't end up being that scary. Think of this as a bridge. We're going to be bridging the concepts of a ScreenFlow to the concepts of a Lightning Web Component, and we're going to cross that bridge together. And that's where Camp LWC comes in. It's a platform I built for us to make it easier to learn Lightning Web Components without having to set up any tools. You don't have to set up VS Code. You don't even have to set up and connect to your Salesforce org for a large portion of these challenges. What we'll do is we'll learn a little bit about Lightning Web Components, compare that to what we know about flows, and use this website to actually write our Lightning Web Components. And these are real Lightning Web Components. They're not some fake version that I made. And as you write your code, you can actually preview your code and see what you're building live as you're building it. You'll follow along with these tasks, solve challenges, and submit your solution to the platform so it can grade it for you and let you know how you did. Can't wait for you guys to try it out and can't wait to be part of this journey as you learn Lightning Web Components.